What?
And I asked myself, why would I rush into a genius game? And I realized, wow, it's because I'm an addict. Like, I love fighting with my brain against other people in the same probability curve matrix season as all of you. That's the same for me. It's fun.
You know these players.
Tell us about it.
Played against these guys so much.
What's up, Budge? Huh?
So high. How do you feel going in at the end of the session when everyone is gambling it up a bit?
Well, I wish I'd been here watching it. Went felt who's actually been playing a lot of hands. I'm kind of coming in without really knowing. I hope I get a vibe.
Well, good luck. It's crazy out there, so we wish you best of luck. And thanks very much for talking to us.
You tell me it's not a big number. As Kara says, we're nearing the end. Only a few hands left with this group of players.
What? 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 Okay. What's that supposed to mean? Huh? Huh? What's that supposed to mean? What you trying to tell me? You're pulling my skin off my fingers, my wrist. Hmm? What? What did? Oh. Really now? Yeah. Is that funny? Is that funny?
If Jason didn't have it before, it's unlikely he has it now. Jason does have an inside straight jaw. He makes it straight with a 5. And he got 28 seconds. Let's see what Phil does.
What should Phil do with his pair of nines? Huh? He's 68% chance to win. Oh, okay. That's a 2-3-7 on a flop. Oh, that's awful. But Phil's got the hand, man. He's got the hand. Oh, yeah.
I don't see any way Jason's playing the 9 is going to make him about $40,000. But Jason's not throwing his hand away yet. He's all in.
Oh, did you just spit it? What's that? He's all in.
I don't see how Phil Ivey can call.
I think we can talk.
If